Okay, walking into our Irvington renovation. Countertop installation day. Hard to appreciate the full openness of this space without seeing the previous chopped up rooms. Not sure how that window treatment made it through the construction. I think it's become a laughing point. I'm sure our clients can't wait to get that down. Gorgeous countertops. Practical walk-in pantry, wolf cooktop going over here, open to the dining area with new French doors, sunroom through there. Here's the foyer, and added back stairs, actually not added, just kind of rearranged. They were kind of a dead end, and now they're a key part of the flow. And again, all these walls opened up to join the living family room area, floating cabinets there for the TV. Looking good. They'll be psyched to see this.